Using ZDesigner driver version 8.x to send firmware to your printer. If you have the current ZDesigner driver version 8.x installed, follow this procedure. If you have the older ZDesigner driver version 5.x installed, skip ahead to that section. You can use the ZDesigner driver to send a file to your Zebra printer without installing additional software or utilities. Navigate to Start, Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners, or you can enter Printer from the search bar. Select the printer installed with the ZDesigner driver and click Manage. Select Printer Properties to open the Properties dialog. Select Driver Settings and click Settings. There are options to either send a file or send the file to the printer. Under Send File, click the ellipsis and point to the location and name of the file you want to send. Once the correct file name and path are displayed, click Send. If your printer model has a data light and front panel display, you will see an indication the file was received. With larger files, the data light will continue to flash until the file is complete. It's very important that you allow the firmware download process to complete before taking any system or printer action. Interrupting the printer during a firmware download could cause unexpected consequences. Once the download is complete, there are verification and decompression steps that may occur without any indication. Wait for the printer to restart and print a configuration label. You can confirm the new firmware version on the configuration label. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on how to use your ZT230 printer.